Hello, hello! So this video is if you just started the guitar and you're wondering how to place your right hand. So the right hand is this one, the one who's gonna strum or fingerstyle. So let's have a look. First, if you want to play fingerstyle, this is the thing that I recommend and that I've picked up on Tommy Emmanuel or Chet Atkins. So they are using the pinky as an anchor, basically. So this is going to stay on the guitar. This is very convenient because it allows you to be to make movement without, you know, having the right hand moving around, and you don't need to stay like a classical guitar player, like in a certain position. You know, you have a bit more flexibility. So it's really good, though it's a bit hard at the beginning, but believe me, really stick with it because it's really, really the best for fingerstyle. So you pluck your pinky and the rest, the hands. So do this a little bit just to take the habit. Okay. Then those three fingers we're gonna call the 1, the 2nd, and the 3. Okay. So the number 1, finger number 1 is going on the 3rd string, finger number 2 on the 2nd, and finger number 3 on the 1st string. Okay, so you have those 3 fingers that are gonna stay basically here most of the time. Okay, and the thumb is gonna move on the 3 thick strings. Okay, the 6th, the 5th, and the 4th strings. Okay, so just to take the habit of this, I recommend that you do this, all fingers together, several times. So remember, what you don't want to do is this, okay? You want to really keep the hand not moving and the fingers are just doing this motion, okay? I would go a little bit in depth and say that you want to strike the string with the angle, the external edge, diagonal edge of your finger. Okay, don't try to really reach for the, you know, and do this, repeat. So find a way to have the space to do the movement with your fingers and not moving the hand, and try to find a relaxed way to do it. Now we're gonna move the thumb, 6th string, 5th string, 4th string, back to 5th, and again E, A, D, A, so when you finish your movement, basically the hand is this way, okay? So it's really this motion. Then, once you're comfortable with this, try this one. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. 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 Okay. Once you're comfortable with this, you change the bass with the thumb. Again, very good. Okay, and once you're comfortable with this, start with the ring finger now, the 3rd finger. So you're gonna do thumb, 3, 2, 1. And then you change the bass again. So this part of the hand, I noticed that you need, it's a little bit, I would say, I would kind of make a connection with when we talk about the core, you know, in the body, like work on your core, okay? And as a dancer, I connect especially with this as well. So you need really this, it needs to be maintained, this part, because if you leave it like, you know, without holding it in a way, you're not gonna be able to move your fingers the same. And try as well to reach for the tip of the finger really. And then once you have this, you can have fun with some simple chords, like the E that we've seen already. If you refer to this or this, I don't know which corner is going to be, one of those, this video, and this one as well. E, the A, okay, and let's add the D, okay, and now we're going to start in A. So now that you know how to change the root note with your thumb, you will need to change it a little bit, because when you do the E, okay, the root, we want the base of the chord, okay? So here we have the E for the E chord, E major chord, okay? Now we go on the A. We can use the E as a base, but if you follow the same logic, you're gonna put your thumb on the A. So you have E, listen to the bass, again, E, A, okay, and D, you're gonna have to move to the next string as well, the fourth one, the D string, to have the root. So feel free, if you prefer to make it longer, to last a little bit longer on each chord. Or 2 each. No, it's the same as the other one. And here we are in A major, right? Okay, we can hear it, but this is for another lesson. All right, don't hesitate. If you have any question, leave your comments and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon for another one. Bye.